In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Disney app for Fastpass. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To start, make sure that you have the latest version of the Disneyland mobile app installed. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that the Disney app has evolved. The traditional Fastpass system is no longer available. Nowadays, there are two primary ways to skip lines at Disney parks. So you have the Lightning Lane Single Pass and the Lightning Lane Multi-Pass. So essentially, they transformed the Fastpass system and retitled it to Lightning Lane. So when you open the Disneyland application and you go over to the home screen, you will already get information regarding Lightning Lane. So as you can see, it is available here. If you don't see it here, you can scroll down and browse through all of the available attractions. Usually, whenever you choose any over here from the list, you will be able to see more information about it and see which ones have Lightning Lane passes available. So when you go over to the tip board here and you scroll all the way up, you will be able to take this option, View Only Lightning Lane Attractions. These attractions listed here will have priority systems available. So if you tap the option to purchase Lightning Lane passes, you will get information on how it works. Save time with Lightning Lane multi-pass entrances, enjoy unlimited Disney PhotoPass downloads, and an interactive Disney PhotoPass lens. So basically, all that you have to do is go over to the tip board, choose a specific attraction, and you will get the option to purchase it. You can also find the option to purchase the Lightning Lane Pass over here on the home screen. So tap Purchase, and you will be able to proceed to checkout. You will choose from any of the tickets that you already have, and you will get priority by using the Lightning Lane Pass. Sadly, I cannot show you this whole process on screen because I don't have a ticket or pass attributed to my account. But if you do, you will be able to choose a regular ticket here and then proceed to acquire the Lightning Lane Pass. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Disney app for Fastpass. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.